Guys, and welcome back to another video with me, Kaylin. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a farm life video. So I got my chickies. Right there. There's there. Hey there. Right there. And of course, so, hey, no pegging. Hey guys. Hi. They're not to be pet, but hi. They're really cute. Hey. Hi. Hello there. Hey. Hey. Hey guys. Hey. Hey. The usual chicken stuff. And then of course, hey, Parker! That one fights back. This is the most fun. This is the funniest thing ever. Go back for more? No. But yeah, this is farm life. This is what I deal with. So, Parker! Hey! What? The chicken fights back. It's hilarious. But yeah, I feel like I haven't posted in forever. So that's what I'm doing today. But yeah. I've been wanting to do a Sims 4 video. You guys probably don't know what The Sims 4 is, but that's okay. Let me tell you, it's like the best game in the world. So, So, Sims 4 is basically, my dad calls it virtual Barbie dolls. Basically, you create a sim, then you live out their life. Alright, inside. Yeah. Oh, I just painted this rock today. It's so pretty. So pretty. But yeah. So our house is a bit messy. Just a bit. But I made Parker. Wait, guys, I don't want you to see the messiness. I made Parker a squishy. Go get it! But he hasn't popped it yet. I made him another one in here. Oh, you don't even want to see the kitchen. Right? Where is it? Is this? Where did I put it? It's in. Oh, here it is. Here it is. I put it in here for a nice killed safe. Parker, hey, ready? You money? Go get it. It's cold. I thought he might like it. I don't want you guys to see our messy house, but alright, back outside we go. Back outside. You guys can stare at the wall. Yeah, tell me about that. And not in my room. Wall, not in my room. Actually, I don't have shoes on. Where's my shoes? I don't know where my shoes are. Okay. So, farm life. So yeah, that's that. Oh, and then there's the baby chickies. Those are our newest babies. Right there. Parker's currently chasing a chicken. Those are our newest babies right there. They're not complete. Oh yeah, and we have like really bad. Parker, no chasing the babies. It's just hard work and discipline. Come on. So, here's the babies. These are the newest babies. Parker. see, they're not the tamest. Hey, Parker. Hey, it's fine. So, yeah. He's in the mud puddle. Alright, well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you all for watching. Yeah, I know this was a bit of a boring video, but I haven't posted in forever, so I wanted to post something random. Weird and random. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!